For this week's tip, I want to talk to you about setting up your job site materials, not moving materials unless you have to. You know, unless you have a lull or a machine on the job site, you're not going to be able to move materials around easily. Hauling materials is hard on the body and it's time consuming. So a couple of the tips. First of all, when you set up your lumberyard delivery, have them set up your drop in the way that you're going to use it, stacked in the way that you're going to use it. For example, you want your sill plates, your rim joists and your floor joists, your plywood, then your walls, and you want it stacked in that order so the walls are below all that stuff, so you're not moving the studs. Additionally, if you have a boom or a lull or some sort of boom truck or available, you can have lumber dropped to the second floor deck or moved in certain places where it makes the most sense. Try to deliver your materials as close as possible to where you're going to use them. And then lastly, cut from the stack. And what I mean by that is cut your rafters, your studs, your joists, and your plywood on the stack. And gang cut if it makes sense. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Hope this helps, guys. Have a great week.